guys, these are Jodi and Mika's babies. They are Ultra Bernedoodles, and currently they're about between 5 and 6 weeks old. We have one boy and 2 girls. The 2 girls are the Merle pups, and then the boy is a Tri. I've decided to name these guys after the Twilight movie. So we have Mr. Edward, and we have
She's watching
Alice
the video.
And Bella. Bella, I have a toy for you.
You're supposed to be in the video, not
Bella.
filming it.
Yeah. Oh, Edward. Edward has the sweetest brown eyes ever. Look at his eyes.
Aww. Hi, Edward.
And they're kind of tired right now because they got their second bath today. They went on a car ride. Just had a lot going on. New pictures. This is little Alice. She looks a lot like Buttercup, her full-grown half-sibling. She's beautiful. She's more of a dark Merle. And she has one blue eye, her right eye. These guys are going to average about 50 to 70 pounds full grown. They're going to have a straight to wavy coat. The Ultra Bernedoodles have really strong Bernice features. So they're pretty stocky, got short little noses. This girl Bella is so different.
You just napping?
Come here, buddy. Edward, come on, handsome. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Good boy. Oh, he's so cute. Hi, handsome. I know. You want to go back to mom? I want to go sleep and take a nap. I'm sorry. He's so cute. Come here, Bella. Come here, Bella. Bella's very inquisitive, friendly, and super smart. She's beautiful. She's got, looks like she has a little blue in both of her eyes, but not all the way blue. This eye is like half blue, and then this one has just a little spot of blue. More of an Oreo Merle. So cute. But those are the babies. They're so cute. They're doing great. They're starting to wean from mom, so they're starting to eat soft food and a little bit of kibble. I just wanted to give you an update. Pick day is next week. Say bye. Bye. We'll see you next week. Bye, guys. Bye.